I'm going to show you the radio frequency of a cordless phone base. Alright, this is a Panasonic model. Anyway, so right now it's not plugged in, and I'm just going to have the meter there that you can see not too far away from it. And let's see what the readings are. So that's just with nothing on. It's in the kitchen, so I've got good, still some stuff happening. But anyway, besides that, that's the best that I can do where I'm living with nothing running on wireless right now, or nothing has any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on. So let's have a look, see what happens when we plug it in. Okay, so now I just plugged it in. And yeah, this thing is gonna lower the volume. It's very annoying but the noise that it makes is that the constant bombardment of radio frequency at that distance. And I was realistically about that distance from this phone nearly all day when I'm working. So I'll let it run for a little bit so you can get an average and everything. And then I'll do the handset part after this. Let's see what the numbers are here. It's pretty constant. So anyway, that's it for the cordless base phone. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show the cordless phone. So what I'm going to do is I am going now to pick it up, and I am going to pretend that I'm talking. So put it on, and you got some pretty big numbers there, and I got it right next to it because once you call, you put it against your head and you're talking. So that's what it got. And you can see there's a max of 166 that got hit there. So that's while you're talking, of course. You're getting bombarded at an average of about 25 right now. Goes up, like right now it's 28. It's going to drop down, probably go up a bit. Close to 20. It's a little bit on the higher side than 25 there, but yeah. So you can see that you're getting hit by this as well. So, and this is against your head.